Hello friends, in the last tutorial we have seen that the features of CGI, a message format of a CGI language. In this tutorial we learn about the approaches of CGI and the Apache server or software which will used for run the language like CGI, Python, Ruby, etc. First we will see the introduction of Apache server. CGI programs are run in Apache server. Coding of CGI are run in Apache software. CGI, Perl, PHP, HTML, Ruby, Python languages are run under the Apache server or a Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is one of the software like Apache server. CGI is a scripting language, so it can also run in Notepad++. Notepad++ is like a Notepad. We write a code of CGI in a Notepad++ also. Now we see the CGI script names and locations of CGI script. First is CGI script must be executable file, have X rights and must have the .cgi extension. For example, my file name and .cgi extension, that is script.cgi. .cgi is a by default extension in the CGI coding. The common gateway interface script must be placed in the CGI bin directory in a public HTML directory of a user. This is a code of Apache relevant configuration lines. For loading the CGI module, load module, CGI module, modules and mode_CGI.so, it will load the CGI module. Second is for adding the CGI handler. Add handler CGI script.cgi. CGI script.cgi is add a CGI handler describing the properties for CGI directory in angular bracket directory home *** CGI bin, and we complete our directory. In between we code for a CGI directory. Now we come on the topic of documents, root and CGI bin. Try and find the file http.conf, that is http.conf. This file contains all of Apache's configuration directives, which will tell it how to respond to web request. It is usually found in user, local, Apache and conf. You can also try using locate command. It will find a document root of a common gateway interface script. Look down the file for a line beginning with the command document root. This identifies the directory from which Apache serves HTML page, typically user, local, Apache and hot docs. This tells Apache that when it receives a request for a page in a location CGI_bin, say a request like link of http://www.myserver.com. So we should place our scripts in a directory named the CGI script alias command. and our web pages in a directory command in the document root.